Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini. What are the messages for Gemini? What's going on? What are the messages for Gemini and what's going on? Wow, very good start. For the messages for Gemini and what's going on. Messages. I think there is happiness is coming, success is coming towards you. Maybe you are not seeing, but it will come. There is happiness and success is coming and you will get recognition for your hard work. Let's see your reading. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign, Gemini. So let's see your recent past. 8 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles and 9 of Pentacles. Everything is about Pentacles. So in recent past, you more focused on your career, creating more money, creating financial stability, financial abundance, and you will achieve. For some you already achieved because you are working hard. You are very working hard towards your goal and you reached. Now you are financially independent. You will get lot of money, abundance, lot of abundance because 10 of Pentacles, material stability, financial stability. But in relationship wise, this word past is about financial stability because all are Pentacles. Then present, Magician, 9 of Swords and King of Cups. So you are manifesting some love into your life, but I think this could be a new person for some because King of Cups, I think for some you are in separation with your person because 9 of Swords with 8 of Cups. Maybe you decided to walk away if you are not separation with your person because for some there are some issues. You only the person always investing in this connection. They may be only taking but not available to you emotionally when you need them. It could be any reason. Maybe you decided to move on from this person because it creates a lot of anxiety. This connection creates a lot of anxiety and depression type of energy in you. But someone is approaching to offer this cup of love to you. King of Cups with Ace of Cups. I think this is a new person, brand new person what I'm getting here because you are decided to walk away from your person, past person, and there is some happiness, some new love is coming. I think it's a new person for my point of view. Maybe it not resonates you, but for some it may resonates completely because I'm seeing a new love, a new person because in past with your past person you decided to walk away. So then is some positive shift is coming, some new love is coming and this person is really want to offer the true love to you and they really want to take this relationship to next level. So I think you decided to walk away from your past person. There is new love is coming. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, Ace of Pentacles. So your person feelings towards you, Gemini. The Sun. I think for some children's also involved in this connection. So they think that you are a very powerful person and they want success in this connection, but they can't let you go because 7 of Wands. Still they are stuck on you. Still they are thinking about you. Yeah, they want you back. They want success in this connection. But you walked away. You decided to walk away. So let's see their actions towards you. Gemini, your person actions towards you. There is a lot of drama going between you and your person. Yeah, they're stuck on you, they're thinking about you. Maybe they're taking so much time to come towards you because right now they're feeling stuck. 8 of Swords, they're unable to move any move towards you. And 5 of Wands, there is a lot of drama. And Justice, they want second chances with you. There is some communication. I think the person involved in this connection could be Leo or Libra especially. And Strength, they are getting their strength to come back to you. Yeah, they want second chances. They can't let you go easily, Gemini. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Libra. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they're feeling stuck. They're stuck on you. Yeah, they're missing you, feeling you. They're feeling missed opportunity with you. 4 of Cups, 8 of Swords, 9 of Swords. They're missing you. Now they're realizing your worth. They're missing you. They're feeling lonely. And they're getting a lot of thoughts regarding you when they are alone, especially at night times. Yeah, they want to come back. But you focused on your career or your abundance. You are taking your control back. Maybe in past you are very emotional person. Now you are thinking through your logical mind also. Queen of Pentacles. Put heart aside. Now you are thinking through your logical mind, maybe because you are very emotional. Queen of Cups, maybe in past. Now you are concentrating on your career, but they're coming back with this love to offer. See, this person may be toxic for you. That's why you want to leave this person behind. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. They are heavily obsessed with you, Gemini. Yeah, for some this person may be toxic for you. For some third party situation also involved. Okay. Yeah. So they're ready to take this relationship to next level. They're coming, but it is slow. But you stand by your power. Now you are very grounded. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Gemini. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra. Or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Things are turning out into your favor. You are getting success for your hard work. They are very passionate about you. They are very attracted to you. They want to come back. Yeah, this person may be sneaky and playing games with you. Maybe they are wearing mask. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. They're spying on you. They're wondering about you a lot. Page of Swords. They're feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. They want to send some apology message. And King of Cups. They want to offer their love to you. But there is new love coming. That maybe you will accept the new love because that person, Ace of Cups with King of Cups. Maybe for some you are doing self-love. You started focusing on yourself completely. You want to be single for some. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Gemini. So it's up to you totally. But they want second chances. Now they feeling sad without you. They're feeling lonely. Maybe they will take some time to come towards you. But they decided to come back because Knight of Cups is also here. And Libra, Justice. So they want second chances. Age difference. Reunion is coming. For some there is a chance for reconciliation. Player, yeah. So if you already know that your person is putting you in third party situation, there is no point to give another chance to your person. It totally up to you. I want to express my love. And last card, you are pure perfection. And lot of abundance is coming. I already told you. So messages are, they're feeling that you are pure perfection, and for some you both have some age difference and they want to express their love to you. And reunion and player. For some your person could be player, so be careful. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Gemini. The end of your tough cycle approaches, especially full moon in Capricorn. So if you are going through any tough cycle right now, it is going to be end. Don't worry, the end of your tough cycle is approaches. This is the message. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.